Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by gathering the base frame, seat ring, and the 4 caster wheels. This is the structural core. Once parts are laid out, attach the 2 half frames together and align their bolt holes. Use the included Allen key to snug bolts just enough so parts can still shift. Make sure the seat ring sits flush. This prevents misalignment later. Tighten bolts finger tight now because you will adjust positioning after adding wheels and testing rotation. Next, push the caster wheels firmly into their sockets. The audible click confirms full engagement, and you should spin each wheel to check free movement. Then lower the padded seat into the ring, aligning tabs with slots. Clip both safety latches so the seat won't pop out during use. Adjust the height mechanism to keep a 2.5 to 3.5 centimeter gap under the seat for clearance. Once aligned, hand tighten the height lock and verify even spacing around the ring. To finish, fully tighten all frame bolts in an opposite sequence pattern so clamping is even. This prevents a warped frame. Test stability by applying a gentle 15 to 20 Newton, push in 4 directions and engage brakes to confirm they hold. Inspect that the seat rotates smoothly and that no plastic tabs are unseated. If you find wobble, stop, reseat the offending component, replace any strip screws, and recheck clip engagement. Once everything passes tests, the walker is ready for supervised use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.